Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys my sister Shinoahe dyeing her hair. So today Shinoahe is dyeing her hair and we are going to be filming the process. We already have all the stuff out on the counter and she is going to be going strawberry blonde.
You wear the gloves when you're doing everything. This is the pre-treatment that keeps your hair from getting brittle. Smells good.
Ooh, I want to smell.
Did you touch your face to it?
Yeah, smells really good. So Shinoahe is using L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cream, and this is 8G Medium Golden Blonde. So Shinoahe is using the pre-applicator. This is to make it so her hair doesn't get fried in the process. So you mix this together with this to get the color in it. You're going blonde. How do you feel? There's no turning back now.
I know.
It smells really nice in here.
It does smell nice. I'm surprised because usually it doesn't smell nice.
Yeah.
I remember last time I had dyed my hair, it was this like reddish blonde and stuff, and it was very nasty smelling. Is there any other nasty smelling stuff in this?
Mm-hmm. There's the pokey thing.
It's sealed, and so you take that end and you poke it on like that, and it opens it up. And then you squeeze it in there. You get to do every last drop. Put your finger over the top and shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Just start squeezing it on.
You can really see it in the areas where it's starting to change. That's really interesting. Now we wait for 30 minutes and then when that's all done, we're gonna see how this all turns out. This is gonna be fun. Okay, it's almost time for you to go wash it out. Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
It's looking very red. Okay, Shinoahe's gonna get in the shower now and get all this stuff out of her hair, and we'll see what it looks like when she's done. Alright, so Shinoahe just barely got done blow drying her hair, and this is the result. I think it turned out pretty good.
It's a little red. But I was kind of going for that.
Is that what you wanted?
Hmm?
Yay!
I can't tell how light it is though. Like, I don't know.